What's going on? This is your boy Gangstalk Talk with AJ, and I'm back with another video. In this video, man, let's do another ride along, man, as I head to go drop off this catering order. I want to talk about being grateful as target individuals. I know, it can be hard. It can be, I'm not glorifying being a TI because it's not great. It's not fun at all. Having your privacy invaded and strangers, doing things to mess with you psychologically. That's not fun. But I want to talk about being grateful, and how being grateful can lead to other feelings, and that can lead to, progression. If you're into thought-provoking content like this, like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. So, look, I know for me, and I'm going to speak for me, and I just want to speak life into anybody that come across this video who haven't, talked about, their experiences and stuff like that. I want you to wake up and give all glory to God and be grateful for just waking up. We've endured a lot of stuff being targeted, a lot. And it's a lot to go through every day. Trust me, I've had my days, my weeks, my months, and even years to where I just felt like giving up, man. I felt like, do I even want to get up today and make a way? For me and myself, my children, when they were younger, do I even want to make a way for them, man? And you got to realize that, in my case, when you got little smaller children, it ain't just about you. So you have to put aside, and I know it's hard, especially with being targeted, and then the circumstances of the world itself. You got to put aside how you feel and focus on what's best for them. And most importantly, you got to feel good. You got to feel confident. So just starting off your day being grateful, talking to God and giving glory to God, is the first step. You have to work on, over time, building your self-confidence, back up. Telling yourself and just exhibiting traits that you're worthy of everything that's going to come your way. And I know that the whole point of this program is to try to make you feel like you're not worthy of anything. They want to tear you down and tear down your self-worth, your self-confidence, your self-love, everything. They don't want you to believe in yourself. They don't want you to have any type of they don't want you to feel any type of ability to be able to build yourself up again after they spend years and years trying to tear you down to the point where you feel like, you ain't even worthy of being on this earth anymore. That's the way they want to make you feel. So I know this may sound cliche, but the best way to deal with that is to get out in the fire. I know for me, it got to the point where I said enough is enough. Now, I made sure, I didn't want to hold my kids back from having a life because I don't want to be out in public around people, et cetera, et cetera. So it just got to the point, you know what, F this, I'm gonna still go live my life. I got kids, man. I got to be able to make sure that they experience, a childhood that I never got a chance to experience. When every time I wanted to come to my parents about something, it was almost like, I opened the blind and had a dream and a goal in life, and my parents just closed the blind. I don't want my kids to feel like, that I'm a dim their light, like my parents did. That's why I'm prepared. I was prepared very early for a lot of the tactics I'm dealing with today. My parents did nothing but dim my light, when I was a child. And that shit hurts your self-confidence, man. And you don't want to carry that on to your children, the people that you love. You don't want to carry that burden that you went through as a child onto them. So you have to work on yourself, and work on, making yourself, feel like you're worth it. You're worth everything in this world, and you have to have the confidence plus some. You deserve it. Don't let these people tell you otherwise. You definitely deserve it and are worth it. They like to program, they want to program into your mind that you're not worthy of anything that they have. You know what I'm saying? And they want to critique you for the stuff you had to struggle for in terms of the basic mundane stuff: a place to live, a car to drive, food in your house, the basic necessities you need to survive. They want to critique you and give you a hard time and make you feel bad for doing what you need to do to take care of yourself. Don't let these people make you feel like feel bad for doing the right thing. They're playing psychological mind games with you. So that way you lose confidence in yourself and they prevent you from doing what's right for yourself. And what's right for yourself is making sure that you love yourself, you're confident in yourself, and that you believe in yourself. You got faith in yourself. Every day you get up, you're motivated to be better. And that's what they don't want. The most dangerous thing to them is a confident TI. When you're confident in yourself and you believe in yourself and you know your worth, that's the most dangerous thing, because they can't stop you. When you're locked in and motivated, they can't stop you at all. It ain't nothing they can do to stop you. And that's one thing, when I finally understood that and got that, that's when I started to lock in, and they can't stop anything. As hard as they try every day, I see more of them snarling, being jealous, hating the fact that they can't stop me, that they can't stop my motion, because I'm so far ahead of everything they do. When you're 14 years of dealing with this, you know their tactics, bro. You know everything they do. It's repetitive, and it's repetitive intentionally because they want to piss you off. So you know everything they do, everything that they do, and every day. I'm ready for it. I've seen it. I've seen what you have to offer. What's next? And they see like, oh, this dude, in spite of what we're doing, he see it coming. He overcoming it. Because it's baseless. Your allegations is baseless. Everything that you say about me, it doesn't affect me. It's weak, and it shows how weak you are. And as you grow immune to dealing with the stuff that they do, you grow stronger. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to understand. Don't even, like, anybody that don't understand this already, because a lot of y'all that watch my channel, y'all know. But to anybody that don't understand it yet, or that's gonna come across this video, you're a lot stronger than them. You got the power over them. They just want to drain every bit of hope that you have in you. They want to drain that out of you. They know how powerful you are. They know what you're capable of as a person. But the only way you're gonna get there is if you keep the main thing, protect the main thing, and that's your peace, your mentality, your psychological, your psyche. That's protecting that. You got to protect that in order to meet your full potential in this life. Your life ain't over. I've said that before. Your life is not over. It ain't over. They just want to put you in the mindset that it is. Forget what these people think about you. You don't know them. So it's no need to even give them any energy at all. None. You know what I'm saying? Get out here and get out here and do something, man. Anybody that's sitting down, you know what I'm saying, feeling down on yourself, don't feel down on yourself because they wanna make you feel bad for something that you ain't even do. Alright? But that's a little something I had on my mind, man. And I wanted to just, put that out there because I know somebody need to hear it. I know somebody that come across my video, they need to hear it. Just a little pep talk, a little motivation to kind of get you going. Don't be down on yourself. Love yourself, man. Cherish yourself. You're worth it. You're worth everything in this world, man. You're worth it, man. You deserve it. Don't let nobody make you feel like you not deserve it, man. Treat yourself, love yourself, and do everything you need to do to make sure that you're good, man. All right. But this is your boy Gangstalk Talk with AJ. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Y'all be safe, y'all be blessed, and I'm gone. Have a good rest of your day. Salute, people. God bless.